rocket launchers. Neat. It's right by where we're staying at Shady Lane Trailer Park, RV Park. Hey y'all, these weird contraptions look like they could have been made for like road warrior movies and that type of thing. Pretty cool. Look at that. Wild, huh? Cool. Crazy, huh? The stuff you find out in the world. Part of a tank on top. Wow. It's like a dinosaur frame. Cool. It looks like it could have been, it's an old Ford Pinto. Wow. Rocket launchers. Neat. It's right by where we're staying at Shady Lane Trailer Park, RV Park. Hi there, Strange RV Tours here. This is Janet, and here we are at Shady Lane RB Camp. And just wanted to show you where we're staying. We've been here for 2 nights. We're staying one more night, and then we're going on to San Bernardino. We're in Barstow right now, and we're at 36445 Soap Mine Road, right off the 15. It's the first time I heard any dogs bark. Anyway, guys, come on, I'll show you around. And this is at 36445 Soap Mine Road, right off the 15. People have been really nice here, and pulled in. They said take your time, and I'll see you in a little bit. Pay you in a, come into the office when you get a chance. No big hurry on the money. We decided to stay one more night because the views on some of the other parks in Victorville and such were not very good, and so we decided to stay till we have reservations at another resort tomorrow, so why move? It's nice and quiet back over here, and have a little garden going on here. We got onions and cucumbers about gone. Yeah, there's some cabbage. On down they have some peppers. And they have a code for the bathrooms. The laundry room, I used the laundry last night. It's really good with that. Hold on. Here we go. Now it's an older resort, but since 1977 apparently. It's family owned. It's here. The wind's kicking now. I thought I'd get this done before it got too bad. Oh, the earthquakes. Man, we just had another tremor. See, there's some watermelon, supposedly. have a little dump station. You need to do a dump here. But we're at a full hookup. They have 30 and 50. Yeah. Yeah. 3 washers and 2 dryers. It worked really well. Oh, three dryers. Excuse me. I didn't need that many. But, okay. Anyway. Yeah. They do recycle cans and bottles here. But, and there's our rig right there. And every night different people are coming through here. Every night they're full. It's like and picnic tables, trees, which is nice. Being from Vegas, you don't get trees very often. So, anyway, they do have a drive-in right down the street. The drive-in shows, right now I think they're doing Toy Story, Men in Black. There's 2 screens. And let's see, Spider-Man, Toy Story, Men in Black, and Aladdin right now. It's $10 a person, I think. But we thought about going, but we're just too tired. Yeah. No frills, but it's clean. People are nice, and it will suffice till we go on. Yeah, so I guess I'm going to go ahead and check our fluids and make sure we have oil and coolant and all that.